Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here outside the mobile weather office on this Tuesday morning. It is now the 22nd day of October, 2024. This is the mobile weather briefing coming to you this morning from beautiful Hancock, New Hampshire, where, as you can see around me, the leaves are in full bloom here. And yeah, it's been spectacular here in southern New Hampshire. Over the last couple of days. Warm here too. I'm in shorts today. Yesterday, Boston set a record by hitting 83 degrees. Yesterday, Sacramento was 82, so the temperatures here similar to what we're having in Northern California. So let's talk more about what is happening in Northern California, because yes, we do have weather going on. A nice stream of moisture coming across the Pacific. They've seen some nice rain in the northwest, and for our area, just getting a bit of that cloud cover here and there, and that will gradually get nudged a little bit farther to the north over the next day or so, allowing Northern California to have some pretty nice weather. But it is getting to be that time of year where we start looking a little bit more at precipitable water. Yeah, let's take a look at that. We haven't looked at this in a little while. So you haven't looked at this before. California is here, so we're looking all the way across the Pacific. This is Alaska, there's the Aleutians, and Hawaii is down here. And what we look at here are these areas are where you have high levels of moisture, lots of water in the air, in a vertical column, if you will. And these areas of brown is where the air is very dry. We look at this as we get into the fall season and the winter season to start seeing whether or not we're going to get any chances of rain. Now, this is Thursday. I'm going to show you in a second. There's going to be a system going by on Wednesday night. And in the wake of that, you get that drier air again. And then this feature here is a spinning low that has some moisture with it. But as we head through the next couple of days, that feature just kind of spins off the coast. This is getting into the day Friday. And then into the weekend, more cloud cover comes our way. That moisture starts to get stretched apart. But on Sunday, there may be enough of it that we could have a chance of showers. That'll show you here in just a second. This is around Sunday, around the middle part of the day. Nice area of moisture coming into the state. And then as we head beyond that into Monday and beyond, the flow switches once again. We get some drier air in there on Tuesday, and then beyond that, it's just always interesting to watch these areas of moisture come off the tropical Pacific. It's stretched up to the north, and then into areas on the west coast, like this right here, nice atmospheric river here that stays well to our north, and that's all the way out to November 2nd, so well down the road here. But this is the sort of thing we look at this time of year. Let's also look at that with the 500 millibar chart, which we have right here. So this is this morning, and here is where that flow is with the moisture that I showed you on the satellite. So all of that staying just off to our north. Now as we go through the next couple of days, what we'll see is that the height lines actually build a little bit. Here's that system going by Wednesday night, Thursday, and then we get some ridging in here on Thursday, Friday to help bring in some warmer weather. And then there is that low that I showed you on the precipitable water. And as that gradually comes inland during the day on Sunday, that's when we have a chance of showers. But then beyond that, we have cooler weather still as we head into next week. This is around the 28th. No sign of any rain with this, but it would certainly keep temperatures cooler, perhaps only in the low 70s. The average high for this time of year, I believe, is around 76 or 77, and we have been above that lately. So what about chances of rain? So let's get to that. I'm just going to get to Sunday for you. This is Sunday afternoon, and this is the 6Z run, and it shows some showers in the area. But I wanted to show you this because, as I've talked about before, model runs can, well, be all over the place. So before you start saying, oh no, it's going to rain on Sunday, we were going to do X, Y, and Z, well, let me show you some other model runs. So this is the 6Z run. This is the way it looked, well, 6 hours earlier, the 0Z run. This is the 18Z run from yesterday. Again, this is the same time. This is the solution for Sunday afternoon at 5 o'clock. And as we go to yesterday morning, yeah, it's the same sort of thing. So the most recent model run, the 6Z run, looks a little bit wetter, but even that isn't going to be much in the way of rain. But at least at this point, we'd be talking about a chance of showers on Sunday as opposed to it's going to rain on Sunday. So yeah, that's the sort of thing we're looking at right now. And all of that is rather typical for this time of year. As we're just starting to get into the start of our rain season, we look for these chances of rain to come our way. every now and then we'll get a gully washer like we had a few years ago in October. That's certainly not in the cards right now, but keep your eye on Sunday. As for right now, we'll be talking about a chance of showers. But in the meantime, the next couple of days look as though they're going to be pretty nice. Also really nice here in New England. We're going to get out and enjoy another day today. Hopefully take some photographs. And yeah, it's spectacular here. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.